Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Please Unblock challenges.cloudflare.com to proceed while accessing ChatGPT. So if you are also going through this kind of error, you just have to know that it's the server downtime going on. That's why you are getting such kind of problem. When you are searching for the ChatGPT server status, while opening, you are getting this kind of error, or it's saying we are currently experiencing issues. You just wait for some time and have to check later on if the issue is resolved. While opening down detector also, this kind of error many users are getting, so don't have to worry. You just have to wait for few moments, and after that check if the issue is fixed. So you have to simply wait for some time, because this is the issue that many users are still facing. So just wait and check later on whether the ChatGPT is working or not. So due to this, many websites are not opening, like Cloudflare or Twitter or OpenAI or Valorant. So you just have to wait and later on again check it if this resolves the problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.